Hi guys, another day, another shoe, and I have a blue box here, and let's open it. Special. So this shoe is called Handball Special. So it has a similarity of Samba, and yeah, family of Tito. On the upper, it is suede leather, which makes it more elegant. And I really love this shoe because of its minimalist style design, and it's royal blue. So Handball Special was first released in 1979. From the word handball, and the sport handball, it's inspired. This is what it came from. So, you know the special thing about this shoe? If you notice, this is 75 written there, and there's a date over here, August 18, 1949. So what happened on August 18, and what is 75? So in August 18, it was Adidas when he opened the store, or when he opened the company at age 49. And right now they are celebrating its 75th year. That's why I got this shoe, because this is an exclusive shoe and there's a launch date of it. So I took my pair before it runs out. So visit any Adidas store right now and get yours. That's it.